Hi, good evening all. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap Up. As I told you yesterday to be cautious, yes, markets went up today and everybody were almost like jumping up to do party because markets touched 50,000, which was a magical number. But unfortunately, it could not sustain and Sensex came down by around 167.36 points and Nifty came down by around 54.35 points. And experts say that the bull run has not yet got over, it has to continue. So I as an individual would recommend you to sit on cash by booking your profits and let's see where the market will head from here, based upon which I would recommend you to start buying value stocks going forward. The news for the day are majorly IPO related news. Home First Finance IPO day 1, 7.9%, 79% subscription has been happened, out of which qualified institutional bidders have fully subscribed. Along with this, Indigo Paints day 2 issue got subscribed by 4.6 times and the retail portion has got oversubscribed by 7 times. At the same time, Stockcraft, which is the parent company of Pigeon Appliances, has also announced the IPO. The IPO would start on 25th January and the price band would be between 384 and 385 rupees. So it is season of IPOs. Seems like January is the month of IPO. Along with this, the other news is, big news in the market today is SEBI has approved the deal of Future Retail as well as Reliance. So this is a major setback for Amazon in India. So we have to wait and watch what Amazon would do. Probably they would take some international arbitration into picture and do something about it. At the same time, central government is looking at allowing domestic carriers to go with 100% capacity. All these days, they had to leave few seats vacant or the middle row by giving PPE kits to the people who are sitting in the middle rows. But now this particular thing may continue or may not continue, but they are telling that the operators can fly with full capacities. So this is some hope, or the recovery in the economy is what the feeling is. So we just have to wait and watch. At the same time, it is time for you to switch your mutual fund investments. Whichever mutual fund has given you very good returns, I would definitely recommend you to switch those to a new one so that at least the returns are safe, and if markets continue to go up, your returns can at least start giving you a better return. That is return on return. So this is something that I would recommend. So you can always contact your mutual fund advisor and tell him that you want to switch your gains and continue to invest. So I would recommend you to continue with the investments that you have already been doing and switch only the profits to the new funds. The day's gainer is Tata Motors, which went up by almost 5.71%, and the day's loser was ONGC, which went down by almost 4.20%. As I'm telling you, the gold is also looking at a magical number of 50,000 again, but right now it's trading at around 49,600 for every 10 grams, and the same is up by 66 rupees. Silver also right now trading at around 67,434 and the same is up by 444 rupees. So we just have to wait and watch what will happen. Probably gold will also touch magical figure of 50,000 today or maximum tomorrow, but we'll have to wait and see whether it will continue to hold on to that number or it may also come down like how Sensex did today. The news for the day with regard to fuel, luckily there is no change in the fuel price. So we have one reason to cheer for, but overall the international crude price and other things still is not stable. So we just have to see what is expected to happen there. So OPEC and other countries have still not come forward telling that we'll continue with the production or we'll cut the production and other things. And thankfully in US also things are looking fine. So we just have to wait and watch what will happen in the days forward. And again, as I told you, budget is very important. So let's have a keen eye on the budget, based upon which we can decide about the investment patterns. Thank you. Have a great day. Do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos with your friends. And we are always open for the comments and feedbacks. Thank you very much. Good day.